The life of a Blender artist, where the only thing more complex than the node editor is explaining to your parents what you actually do for a living. They say Blender is free, but they don't tell you about the cost. The cost of sanity. As you unwrap UVs like it's Christmas morning, the time you spend watching donut tutorials and the sleepless nights, knowing how many default cubes you have murdered. They say an artist's journey is a solitary one, but here in my studio, I'm never alone. I've got my trusty computer, a cup of coffee that's been reheated more times than I care to admit, and a playlist of lo-fi beats to drown out the sound of my own procrastination. Deadlines loom like bosses in a video game, each one tougher than the last. But fear not, for I wield the mighty pen tablet, a weapon of mass creation capable of bringing to life dragons, spaceships, and the occasional donut tutorial. The joys of rendering, where you can watch your creations come to life. One frame at a time. It's like watching paint dry, but somehow more satisfying. Day in and day out, I grind away at the vertices, like a sculptor chipping away at marble, except my marble is a fickle beast known as Blender. And just when I think I've mastered it, it throws me a curveball like a surprise update that changes everything I thought I knew. The clients, they want the sun, the moon, and the stars all animated in 4K by yesterday. And when you finally present your magnum opus, they say, "It's great, but can we try it in blue?" The creative block, it hits you like a ton of bricks, or in my case, a ton of untextured cubes. There you sit, hoping for a muse, but all you get is the spinning wheel of doom, taunting you as it loads and loads and loads. In my dreams, I have a render farm, a glorious expanse of processing power where my animations render in the blink of an eye. But then I wake up to the reality of my single GPU, chugging along like a brave little toaster.